Hi children, a very good morning to all. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So in previous class we have seen lesson 2, that is logical thinking. We have seen different examples of logical thinking. In today's class we will discuss third lesson, that is programming multiple spirits in Scratch. So coming to the programming, what is programming, Nana? It is a step-by-step process. So for example, I am teaching a computer subject for you, isn't it? So first I will start with the introduction. So next, so for example, here see here, programming multiple spirits in Scratch, isn't it? First I will start with the programming. So I have explained you now what is programming. It is a step-by-step process. So next, coming to the multiple spirits. So I will explain about the multiple spirits. Next, coming to the Scratch. What is a Scratch? I will explain. So it is a step-by-step process. So what is spirit? Spirits are the images on a Scratch computer program screen. Every Scratch program is made up of spirits. Children, here spirits is nothing but images which is present in your Scratch program. Children, Scratch program is very useful to you. So here you can buy your own animations, videos. Next, like poems, poems not. You can do animations by your own in this Scratch program. So spirit is nothing but images which is present on the Scratch program screen. So these are the spirits, Nana. Spirits is nothing but, I told no, images. So you can see different types of images in this, like cat, tortoise, dinosaurs. You can see many more. If you open this Scratch program, you can see the spirits many more. So I am telling Scratch. So what is Scratch? So now we will discuss now. Scratch is a free programming language, an online community where you can create your own interactive stories, games and animations. Children, what is Scratch? Scratch is a free programming. So easily you can draw the stories, games and animations in this Scratch program. So it is a online community. So in online we'll do the Scratch program where you can create your own interactive stories. So you can write your own stories with this. So first you have to know about the programming language. So it is a step-by-step process. So it is very difficult, but if you practice these programs you can easily come up with this. So you can create your own games and animations also. So this is the one of the Scratch programming. So here you can see a dragon. Here you can see different types of trees, clouds. So these are the spirits, Nana, isn't it? Spirit 1, spirit 2, spirit 3, spirit 4, spirit 5. So you can see like these type of spirits in the Scratch programming. So this is the programming. This is the programming. Here you can see program like this. So this is flag. So first you have to start with the flag. Green flag is to start the program. So you can see different wait for 1 second. If we will keep the wait, so 1 second, 2 seconds, so it will wait. Next, directions. If you will give directions left, right, next north, south, if you will give like that, so it will go to the another place. If you will give for the left side, if you will give for the right side, it will go to the right side. So like that it will give the directions. So here you can see different types of scripts like motions, locks, sound, pen. You can use different types of pens like blue, different colors. You can use different colors in that. So events, control, sensing, operators. So we will see in the coming classes about these scripts. Next, coming to the this is the picture. Here you can see each and every point you can see here. So in Scratch you will see the language, save. Here you can share. This is the spirit rotation style, current spirit info. Next, here block palettes. Blocks means different programming. If you want to give the cat, so here you can see the for this you can see here for using the programming you will use these type of motions. Next, coming to the, so this is the script area. Drag blocks in, snap them together into scripts. So this is the programming area. So if you will drag, so drag means that this is this if this is one type of palette, block palette. If you drag that, so it will place here. So we have to place the area for writing programming, you have to place here. So here you can see spirit rotation style. So it will rotate different rotations. Next, current spirit information. So here you can see information which you will keep, which spirit you are keeping, spirit 1, spirit 2, like that it will indicates, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that it will indicate, isn't it? Next, here tabs. Here you can see the tabs and scripts, costume, sounds. Next, this is the toolbar. Next, here you can see view mode, change to large or small. Stages. This is the background, Nana. See here. This is the backdrop. So this is the backdrop, you can see. This is the ground which is present in the green color, trees. Here is the ball. Here is one boy is playing in the garden. So this is the presentation mode. Present your project here. So this, if you click this, it will open the project. So green flag, I have told no. So green flag, a view to start scripts. Stop sign is also there. If you want to stop the program, you can stop with that program. If program is completed, if you will start with green flag, it will open, it will run the program. Next stage, various Scratch creations come to life. Mouse X and Y. Here you can see the changes, X and Y values changes. So next, coming to the new spirit buttons. Create a new character object for your project. Spirit list. Here you can see the spirit list. So here you can see the spirit list, thumbnails of your all spirits. So if you want to select, so here they selected one ball and one boy and one garden here. So these are the spirits. Have you understood, children? So if you have computers in your homes, so download this spirit programming. You can see different options like this in your computer. So this is the one of the example. So they took one cat here. So when flag clicked, set x is equals to 0, set y is equals to 0. So clear pen down. So here they took different types of colors like pink, yellow, green, blue, yellow, green, like that they have took the different types of pens here. So they have if you will change pen color, so you can change here. So move steps. So if you move steps like this, it will rotate. So like star, it will rotate like this. So the cat will rotate like this, isn't it, children? So like that it will do. For how many rotations? So it will rotate for 135 degrees. So here you can change steps. So like that it will rotate. For example, so children, see the page number 57 in your textbook. Plan the scratch project for the game. So if you want to play the game, so first we will plan for writing the scratch program. Let us start with 2 players, isn't it? So 1 boy and 1 girl. So we need 2 spirits, isn't it? 1 boy, 1 girl. We need 1 more spirit, that is ball. So if we want to play, we need 1 ball. So total here we are having 4 spirits, that is 2 players, 1 ball and 1 title. Let us have a playground as background. So here you can see, children. So this is the background, Nana. See, this is the background. So like that they have kept one background, that is playground. Now list out what you need. Are you painting or importing the spirits? We can import the ball and paint the 2 players. So first we can import the ball like spirit 1. Next we have to draw 2 players, that is 1 girl and 1 boy. Let us import the playground also like background. Playground is the background. Next, here you can see, this is the background. Here 2 players, that is 1 boy and 1 girl. Here ball is the another spirit, isn't it? So what we need? Totally 3 spirits here. 1 background, so that is 1 background, 2 players and 1 ball. This is separate, Nana. This is only for, we will use for background. So these are the 3 spirits which is given in the scratch. Example, how does the game start? We have to make them stand opposite to each other. So they have stood in opposite direction, isn't it? So they have stood in opposite direction. If we play the game, we will stand in the opposite direction, isn't it? So now they are playing the game. We have to make them stand opposite to each other at the start of the game. Yes, and both have to stand at same apart. So they have to stand with the same position. So here you can see the current spirit, Nana. These are the current spirit. We are which is having x is 0 and y is 0. So how can we make the spirit stand in one position at the start of the game? Points to the current position, info window. This is the one type of window which is present in the scratch program. Look at this. What is the number next to x's, next and xy? Here is the both are x is 0 and y is 0. So we will see now. Where is the spirit on the stage? At the center of the stage. So the girl is in the center of the stage, isn't it? So this is the center. Now move the spirit to the bottom left corner of the stage. So she is in the middle. So bottom is nothing but down. So left, for this left corner of the stage. Check x value. So here you can see the values. First you are having x is 0 and y is 0. Now the spirit has changed to the left bottom corner. So here x value is minus 159 and the y is 182. So it is changed, isn't it, children? So you can see the numbers which will change the x and y values here. So this is the current spirit info. So current info shows a spirit's name, xy position and direction. You can also type a new name for the spirit. So if you want to write your name, you can write your name also. So it will rotate up, right, down, left, like that it will rotate. Direction indicates how the spirits will turn when it executes a new instructions. If you if you will give execution, so it will rotate. So direction 0 it is up, for 90 degrees right, for 180 degrees down, for minus 90 it will go to the left position. Next, why is x minus 159? Why does it mean? So they are asking why x is minus 159. Let us look at this picture. Consider this as a scratch stage. So what do you observe here? The stage has divided into 4 squares, isn't it, children? So here you can see the 4 stages, that is 4 quadrants. First, second, third and 4 quadrants. Quadrants is nothing but dividing into 4 parts. So these are so they are also numbered like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the quadrants, which is divided into 4 equal halves. So the horizontal line is labeled the x-axis and the vertical line is labeled as y-axis, isn't it, children? So here you can see horizontal line. So this is the vertical line. This is the vertical line, indicates x. This is horizontal line, indicates y, isn't it? So these two axes divide the stage into 4 quadrants. The point at which the two axes meet in the center of the stage is called origin. So this is called the origin, that is present in the middle. See here. So this is the origin. Origin indicates 0. So the point at which the two axes meet is the center of the stage and it is called origin. Now move the mouse pointer to each corner of the stage and note x and y values. If you will move the mouse to any of the direction, so it will change the x and y values. So the top corner has x is 240 and y is 180. Top left corner is 240 and 180. So minus 240 and 180. So it will change the numbers. So correct. What else do you observe x and y values? As we move to the right for the origin, the x value increases. So as we move to the left, the x values changes. Similarly, as we move up to the origin, y value increases. Next, as we move down the origin, the y value changes, 0 to minus 180. Very good. Each point on the stage is represented by 2 numbers. In Scratch, these 2 numbers are called x and y values. Have you understood, children? So if you move from origin, so this is the origin, isn't it? So if we move from up, it will give some number. It will, if you move down, it will give one number. If you will move this side, it will give one number. It will move this side, it will give another number. Like this, we are having different information I have given to you. So read this. So if we will move from the right, so this is the right side now. If we will move right, it will increases, isn't it? So next it will if we move from the origin, the y value increases. Like that, it will increases the number. So thank you, children. I hope you have all understood this lesson. Thank you, children. We'll see in the next.